Hello, this is Tim Carpenter with Vertigrow. Today I'm going to show you another short video on how to prune the determinate tomato, hanging tomato in a vertical system. So you can see there's a lot of tomatoes on this plant, and there's a lot of tomatoes that shouldn't be on this plant. So today we've already pruned the outside to expose the tomatoes and see what's good and not good. But right now I want to concentrate on pruning inside, because at this time of the year there's a lot of dead plants inside. As you can see as we open it up here, all those have to come off inside. So what I'm going to do is start cleaning up in here and taking off some of this stuff so I can see. All those dead leaves need to come off, and even some of the fruit may come off later because there's just too many tomatoes under here that the light didn't get to, the bees couldn't pollinate it. So that type of tomato, if it's almost white like that, is really not going to grow very well. But you can see all this dead tissue here, and a lot of that's going to get worse if you don't cut it out and get some airflow through the greenhouse and through the plant here.